All right. So I think Salman wants all of you to see the book. Before that, can we please call on stage the director of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Kabir Khan? क्या बात है, सबने हनुमान जी के गदे पहने हुए हैं गले में. नाइस लुकिंग डायरेक्टर सलमान. आप सबको नहीं मिले? Amazon से ऑर्डर कर लीजिए. never
तो थोड़ा सा खर्चा करो.
Right. Kabir, just before we bring on the film,
10 टिकट के साथ मिलता है.
Sorry?
Maybe.
Okay, एक और बात जो हम बताना भूल गए, Being Human store पे भी मिल रहे हैं ये सारे. In case you don't want to order and wait for it, go straight to the Being Human store and get it. Kabir, a quick question. I mean, we both saw the book, we both loved it. We have children who loved it. आप भी काफी किताबें पढ़ते हैं. How important did you think that a film script that you were writing would actually give birth to a book for children? Isn't that like the most ultimate compliment?
आप इसका जवाब दीजिए, आप घर पे भी पूछ सकती थी.
घर पे तो सर मैं तो घर पे पूछ चुकी हूँ, इसका जवाब भी मुझे पता है, मैं पीछे बैठ के.
घर पे जो सवाल रिहर्स करे थे वो पूछे नहीं, तो अब थोड़ा सा नहीं, I know it's really exciting that a book can generate a book like this, a film can generate a book like this for kids, क्योंकि there is a lot of entertainment in the way Salman tries to find out where this little girl is from, and to turn that into this interesting book and sort of go through all the cities of our country and get facts about it. I think it's really interesting. I saw the book and I was I just started it, and then within 5 minutes I'd finished it because I loved it. Geography has always been one of my favorite subjects, and that's the reason why I keep pulling Salman all over the world and all over the country for my films. And I'm really glad this book is out.
Actually, there's a big joke that Salman keeps saying. He says, your husband just picks up a globe and he turns it around and he says, अब यहाँ चलते हैं, अब यहाँ film shoot करते हैं. So maybe
मतलब कि जहाँ नहीं गए हैं वहाँ जाने का, तो वहीं के बारे में स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखते हैं. इनको कश्मीर जाना था तो इन्होंने कश्मीर के ऊपर लिख लिया इस बार.
Well, Geography with Bajrangi Bhaijaan also has a list of a lot of other states that you haven't shot in. So maybe next time.
Next.
Okay. So can we have the books here, and can we have the book being opened and the first copy? Salim Saab, please do us the honor of opening this and revealing it, and can we have the other copies as well? Geography with Bajrangi Bhaijaan. आपने नोटिस किया होगा, एक मिनट सलमान होल्ड द बुक. आपने नोटिस किया होगा बाकी सबके पास एक ज्योग्राफी विद बजरंगी भाईजान है, आपके पास भूगोल विद बजरंगी भाईजान है, हिंदी. हाँ, तो आपने बोला था दिस इज द लास्ट बुक दैट यू रेड. थोड़ा पढ़ के थोड़ा एक रीडिंग हो जाए सलमान. नहीं गणेश, सलीम साहब, गणेश ने आके पढ़ाया है, तो थोड़ा तो कुछ उसका भी इज्जत का ख्याल कीजिए. थोड़ा हिंदी पढ़ना भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. आई कीप टेलिंग माय चिल्ड्रन हिंदी पढ़ो. हिंदी.
अच्छा, आप अपने बच्चे पे आए तो हिंदी?
नहीं, मेरा बेटा तो पढ़ लेता है हिंदी. आप पढ़िए. दिस इज नॉट फेयर. दिस इज बैकफायर्ड. Are you serious? Going to read it? I asked him to read it.
No, nice. He needs to read it. I'll hold it for you. Yeah.
In geography and all that. A little girl gets separated from her mother at the New Delhi train station. She cannot read, write, or speak. She is lost and helpless. She approaches.
अभी बाप की थोड़ी स्टोरी टेलिंग डाल लो अंदर तो फायदा हो जाएगा.
She sees a man singing in the distance. He seems to have a number of followers. They fondly call him Bajrangi.
There, it's just adorable.
She approaches him for help, but since she cannot speak, he cannot figure where she is from. He realizes she is lost and hungry. He first asks if she would like some parathas to eat. She nods yes. He asks if she is from New Delhi or Gurgaon. She nods no.
Acha, ho gaya.
Come on,
Chalo,
हो गया.
come. Sairu, you want to
Agastya?
read?
No, she can't read.
Okay. You're like me?
Agastya ka. Seher, would you like to come and read as well? Come. Come on, Agastya, go for it.
He realizes she is lost and hungry. Delhi is the capital of India. Its landmarks include India Gate, Qutub Minar, and Red Fort. Gurgaon in Haryana first shot to fame when Maruti Suzuki set up shop here. Many other large companies followed suit.
Now read. Yes.
So he says, Muni, I will say the names of cities and you raise your hand when I have the right answer. Kanjur, Kanpur, Solapur, Jodhpur, Bilaspur, Dizpur. Kanpur is the largest city in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is located on the banks of the Ganga River, Ganges River.
Very good.
Now,
Last
come
page.
here.
Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is known as the city of joy. One of its many joys is the snack puchka, which is at once crunchy and liquidy. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. It is a popular hill station and is said to have been built over 7 hills.
Read. Come right now. Come. We need to have women representation also, yeah? Seher?
Here comes here. Read from here.
Dehradun, the capital of Uttarakhand, is located at the foothills of the Himalayas. The state is renowned for the Valley of Flowers.
Yeah, book down slightly and now chin. Please.
Bajrangi story, leave the facts.
Bajrangi's friend Rasika joins them. She notices Muni isn't eating. She offers Muni a glass of milk, but Muni just wants to go home. So Rasika says, Muni, are you from Gandhinagar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Srinagar? No luck.
Turn it around. Whoa. Okay. Will let it be now? Last page. Follow it.
Last page, I'll read.
Okay.
For the full story of how Bajrangi Bhaijaan takes Munni back to her home in Pakistan, watch the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan again and again.
And the second half of this book is coming after some time.
That's wonderful.
After Bajrangi Bhaijaan becomes a big hit. Otherwise, Sairu, no point, no?
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I hope you can also get your copy of Geography with Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Give it to your, the kids that you love the most. I, for one, think that it's a very proud moment for all of us in the team to know that the film has generated a wonderful book that children can read and take home, and the association can just last longer. So thank you so much for being here. Please go and watch the film tomorrow. It's really awesome, even though I say so myself. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you.
you.
Chalo, Vivan. Get down.
Okay, there is a Q&A.
सवाल जवाब लंबी खामोशी.
Okay, now we'll take some questions from the press. So, photo up. Okay. Why don't you go this side?
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.